Top three reasons why you would join myEcon versus any other business online. Let's go break it down. Hey, my friends, DK here. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to myEcon, checking it out, checking me out, maybe looking for ways to make money online, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon to get notified anytime I put out new content. If you hit that little bell icon, you will be the first to know whenever there's new content released or whenever I go live, which is very often here on my channel. It's a pretty cool thing. So without further ado, my friends, if you're looking for ways to make money from home or considering looking at myEcon compared to other businesses that are out there, I'm going to give you, well, let's just put it, a very opinionated, but also opinion backed by data, reasons of why you should think about and consider myEcon for your next home-based business. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it and rip the Band-Aid off here. Number one, okay? Real products for real people. Don't get me wrong. There's so many great legacy companies that are out there, but not all of those products are for everyday average people. So what do I mean by that is if you're considering a network marketing opportunity or even affiliate marketing, there's some great products out there. There's, health and wellness is one of the biggest niches that are in home-based business out there, but should everybody take a supplement? Should everybody take a multivitamin? Should people put more protein into their diet? Absolutely. But most people are not going to do that. Most people don't want to spend additional money, especially getting on auto ship and buying protein shakes and multivitamins and hair products and skin products and all these other things when you could just go down to the store, the local Walmart or Target or wherever it is that you shop, and while you're out buying your groceries, you could just get the basic stuff that you need. Most people are not going to go do those types of things. And it's even the same thing with travel, and yes, myEcon has a travel membership, but I think in theory, a lot of people love to travel. They love the idea of traveling, but the average everyday person doesn't get to travel a lot as much as they would like to anyway. So what are some real products for real people that can help them? Well, let's face it. The average person is in debt. The average person wants to make more money. The average person wants to save more money. And that is where myEcon fits perfectly into helping the average everyday person. So you don't have to buy products and services. You don't have to get on auto ship and buying all these products that you generally would not use or would not take if it wasn't for the business opportunity. So most people want to save more money. myEcon has some things to help you do that. Most people want to make more money. myEcon obviously has some things to help you do that. So I think when you look at the products and services that myEcon offers, it appeals in a much more general sense to the average everyday person, things that they can easily use without going too far out of their way to try these weird, crazy products that people have never heard of. Or, it's much more simple to me, maybe to you as well, to use things like credit repair and income shifting and, things that are going to help you reduce your debt, things like the cash flow manager to help you save on your taxes. So again, these are all just basic tools and resources that myEcon offers that the average person can use, can figure out, can, easily put into their everyday life and get value and benefit from. Number two, earn more money every single month without recruiting a single person. myEcon is one of the only business opportunities that I am aware of that you could get started today and you could instantly increase your take-home pay at your existing job without working any overtime, without asking your boss for a raise, without getting a second job. You can increase your monthly income in your household using one of their core products called income shifting. The average person that is doing this is seeing an increase of $600 to $800 per month without recruiting a single person, without working the business. This is one of the best ways where you could start a home-based business and instantly have more money in your bank account every single month. And I think that alone should be something that you could look at. That alone helping the average everyday person. There's no supplements to order, there's no auto ship to get on, there's no other crazy things. You're not putting any patches on your skin. You're not doing, any weird crazy stuff that come with some of these, network marketing and affiliate marketing opportunities. You're just using their core product, which by the way takes 20 minutes to do. Takes 20 minutes to figure out how to do this. It's very simple, step-by-step video. Instant profit, instant increase in your bank account the day that you get started with myEcon. And again, as far as I know, there's no other companies out there that can make those type of claims or offer those types of services where you could be an instant profit. Now, forewarning, there are some certain marketers out there that will tell you that you can make $1,000 or $2,000 a month without even recruiting a single person. Those are pipe dream, really far-fetched, pie in the sky offers that are out there that, I know there's certain companies that are offering this. I know there's certain marketers that are offering this according to their compensation plan. It is mathematically possible, but it requires literally, a 1 in a million shot of this actually happening. And to this date, there is nobody that has proven or documented these types of things actually happening. It's all just hype and excitement. myEcon has the documented proof of income shifting and people making more money. Documented proof, thousands and thousands of cases. So I rest my case. Number 3, the compensation plan. Straight up, the highest payout in the industry, and you can shop around if you want to. You can go look around. I've done a lot of comparison videos here on my channel with myEcon compared to other network marketing companies, and the difference is literally night and day. So although this is opinion, this is also factual. myEcon has one of the highest payouts in the industry, up to 95% direct commissions when you sponsor somebody, and every single month up to 23% renewals per person. Think of that percentage there for a second. I'm just going to give you one quick example, okay? There is a new, call it a network marketing company, call it an MLM, call it whatever you want, but there's a new company that just launched a couple of months ago, and they are advertising in their matrix a 2.5% residual per person. 2.5%. So even with a full matrix, an absolutely full matrix, doesn't matter. You're only still making 2.5%. With myEcon, you can get up to 23%. The payout is astronomically higher. So for the same amount of people, you're making so much more money. And again, with myEcon, it does not break the bank. I'm not saying you're going to make a whole lot more money because you have to pay way more money. The myEcon membership is less than $100 to start, and it's less than $60 a month. There's 2 different membership levels. They're both less than $60 a month. Okay. So when you look at the percentages, and that's really what compensation plans are all about. Okay. It's not about the dollar amount. It's about the percentage. What percentage are you earning from that compensation plan? And there is no higher percentage payout in the industry that I have found. Maybe you know of one. You can drop the link or drop the information down in the comments if you want. But I have found over many, many years of doing this that there is no higher percentage payout. So when you add these 3 things up, okay, real everyday products that are going to help the average everyday person, okay, without going out of their way, without getting on auto ship, without, trying, tasting, using any weird products. It's just financial education and resources and tools to help you make and save more money. Most people that I know want to make more money and save more money. That's pretty basic, okay? Number 2, you can get started today and you could be making more money literally today without recruiting a single person. And number 3, the highest payout in the industry. The highest percentage when you look at the dollar per person per renewal there is no higher percentage pay plan out there. End of story. And that, my friend, that right there is 3 reasons why I feel, and again, kind of backed by data here, that you should consider myEcon for your next business opportunity, your next network marketing company, your next home-based business. And I think those are pretty solid, undisputed reasons why you should consider this. If you have any questions for me, left my phone number right there at the top of the video. Send me a text message. Ask me anything. I'm an open book. I'm happy to answer any questions you have or help you out. Also, if you made it to this point in the video, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I put out new content. You will be the first to know, my friend. If you want more detailed information about myself, my team, myEcon, what is offered, the whole enchilada, the whole package, I'm going to leave an end video right here at the end of this video. You could simply tap on that, jump over, and watch my full 30-minute tutorial and get all of the details. Thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one.